Hey, this is Pradeep Sharma. I'm from India. We are working with like lots of clients in different countries like USA, UK, Canada, Japan, Italy, France, Australia, and different countries. We have lots of experience with like different products also. If you are suffering from like poor traffic and zero ranking on Google, and you are not getting 100% genuine leads, so no worries. I can help you, and also I can recommend to you for the good and high ranking backlinks, and also I will rank your site on the Google first page within 3.5 4 months. If your site is not going to rank within 3.5 4 months, definitely I will refund you money. So why you are waiting for? I have a demo. You can check my existing client site first, and after then you can decide. Okay, have a look. This is my client site. The site name is Birds and Parrot. I'm gonna to refresh it right now. This is the site of Birds and Parrot, and I'm going to click the overview, and you can see now this is the performance of this site last 3 months. You can see this is a very good ranking and good traffic. If I'm going to check like all report, you can see is loading is 14.6k total clicks over here, and the impression is 523k. Means this site is very good, and lots of clients in visiting on this site. Okay, and now you can see the keywords of the number of the keyword. These are the keywords over here, the high ranking keywords, and you can see the clicks also, the number of the keywords. And if I go down, the total number of keywords around like 1000. And my target location, we are targeting like United States and United Kingdom. You can see that we have United States, and the clicks is 10,490. And the United Kingdom, you can see the Canada, India, Australia, Singapore, and lots of countries we are targeting around like 224 countries over here. And also, if I'm talking about the backlinks, every day we are indexing the backlinks like high quality do follow backlinks. If I'm going to here like pages and look at here, you can see the my graph of the backlinks indexing. We are indexing around like daily basis 4190 backlinks every day we are indexing over here. Okay, so if you need really good ranking, so please hit me up. Definitely I will rank your site, and you will get like good result like this one. Okay, and we have a lots of sites. You can see my console. I'm going to show you. You can see now. So we have a lots of site. We are working all of them, and my client is really happy. That's why we have a lots of project over here. Thank you.